Good morning, everyone. I'm coming on live today for like 10 minutes. I literally don't have any time today. Um, but I just wanted to come on real quick. I have been getting this question all the time, so I just wanted to come on live real quick and talk about this. For those of you tuning in for the first time, definitely, put in the comments that you're tuning in for the first time. Let us know where you're tuning in from so I can give you a shout out. For the rest of you who come here all the time, definitely say hi in the comment. Let me know where you're tuning in from. Personally, I'm tuned in from Lake Mary, Florida, which is in the suburbs of Orlando. If you're tuning in for the first time, my name is Ayesha Chidole. I'm an immigration attorney. I represent clients with their family immigration matter, humanitarian immigration matter all over the United States. So even if you're international, even if you're in another state, I will be happy to assist you. You can definitely call me 407-995-6567. You can also send us a text on WhatsApp, 404-333-8751. Okay. Okay. So good morning, Shauna on Instagram. Good morning, Vaughn from Jamaica, tuning in from Chicago. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today I want to just talk about a question that I've been getting asked a lot, which is, if I have a conditional green card, can I file for naturalization? It's taken a long time. If you're in the immigration process right now, you know that it has taken a long time for immigration to basically make decisions in any case for that matter. So conditional green cards are taking an exceptionally long time. Prior to COVID, they were taking a long time. They were taking about 18 months on average. Now, I don't know what the reason why is, but I suspect that one of the reasons why conditional green cards take a longer time is because in their minds, when they're looking at priority of cases and they're petitioning, they're like, you know what, you're still a green card holder. We give you a green card extension. So, you guys can wait. Who knows? Why they do that. But that being said, most conditional green cards right now are taking more than 24 months. So as of September, I want to say the first week of September, they announced that they're now going to be issuing, when you file for removal of conditions on your green card. And for those of you who don't know what conditional green card is, by the way, that's a 2-year green card. So basically what they announced is that once you submit your removal of condition, they will give you a 24-month extension of your green card. So basically an additional 2 years to allow them time to take care of your case. Okay. So some people in the process of waiting, they become eligible for naturalization. What makes you eligible for naturalization? So if you're still married when you submit your conditional green card, and you have reached the 3-year anniversary of your wedding and the 3-year anniversary of your conditional green card, at that point, you're eligible to actually put in a naturalization application. And a naturalization application is basically an application to become a U.S. citizen. I'm talking so fast because I'm trying to get all my points in before I have to jump off. So I apologize. You can put me on like slow motion when I jump off to hear me if I'm talking too fast. So as I was saying, the other category of people that can file within 3 years of marriage, of green card, being a conditional green card owner, are those who file removal of conditions on their green card based on an abusive situation. So in those two cases, you can actually submit your naturalization application based on the facts that you have already been had your green card for 3 years. And what that does is that it will push them to make, because there's a specific timeline where they need to make decisions, or where they need to at least interview you for your naturalization application. So what it does is that it pushes them to schedule you for an interview. And a lot of times what happens is that you will have the 2 interviews on the same exact date. So what will happen is that they will interview you to remove the conditions on your green card. And then when they finish interviewing you to remove the conditions on your green card, they will then ask you the civic questions to make sure that you pass that, written tests, and then obviously spoken tests, and then, handwriting tests. And then you will you'll do your oath, and I say your oath, you basically answer questions on whether you're going to defend the Constitution of the United States and stuff like that. And then they will do like a simultaneous approval. So having said that, this is what I always warn. If you are considering doing this, you better make darn good sure that you have a lot of evidence to show that your marriage is bona fide, and there's not going to be an issue and you're going to get approved, because there's nothing worse than a double denial. Okay. So you want to make sure that if you're submitting a naturalization application as a way to push them to schedule for an interview quicker, because you have a pending conditional green card removal, just make sure that you have all your stuff together. Make sure you and your spouse, you have all your things together, you're attending together. If yours is based on abuse, make sure your stuff is together and that you have a slam dunk case. If you do that, hopefully that will help you get to citizenship quicker and basically to the end of the immigration journey. So that's what I wanted to talk about, and I still have about 4 more minutes. So let me say hi to some of you guys. Okay. Linda from YouTube said, hello, good morning. You look beautiful. Thank you so much. Novella, good morning. Janet, good morning from Maryland. Tabitha, good morning from Florida. So you're in Florida with me as well. Let's see who I have here on Instagram. Sorry, guys, I'm just looking through IG. Hi, Miss Monique. TT Fabulous, good morning. Obi says, good morning from Sacramento. I just got approved for my 10-year green card. That is awesome. Congratulations. That's the best feeling, right? It's so lovely to get an approval. And it says, welcome to America. Congratulations. So what if you divorce a few months after you submit your removal of conditions before your 3-year anniversary? So in your case, you will be getting your naturalization not on the basis of divorce, but on the basis of extreme cruelty, if that is what you applied for. So if you applied on the basis of extreme cruelty, that also still will make you eligible at the 3-year mark, even if you're divorced. Holua Shane says, good morning, my lawyer. Please, I have one question. My VAR, they send me RFT, you mean RFE, a request for additional evidence, and I didn't see it. I was told it was sent back to USCIS, and since I've been requested and nothing has been done, and I even sent a letter and no reply. Girl, yes, you need to call my office. You're probably not going to get anything. You need an attorney, because we have an attorney hotline to get your letter for you. So call and schedule a call, and we'll be able to get you RFE. Okay. Good morning, Mr. Tusk. Compare autos from North Carolina. Okay, let's see. All right, I have 2 more minutes, so let me get a good question. So Aldeno says, if you just get the 10-year green card, when can you file for citizenship? So you can file for citizenship at 2 points. So if you got the 10-year green card based on marriage, the odds are that you've been married to your spouse for more than 2 years. So at the time when you've had your green card for 3 years, you would have been married to your spouse for more than, obviously, 3 years. At that time, you're eligible for naturalization if you're still with your spouse. If you're no longer with your spouse, you're not eligible for naturalization until the 5th year of you having the green card, and that's really the standard for most people. Okay. All right, guys, I'm sorry this was a really short one. If you have any other questions, schedule a consult with me, 47995-6567. I will try and be on here tomorrow around the same time, sometime between 9 and 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, guys. If I didn't get your question, sorry, tomorrow, join me again. All right, guys. Bye.